Auditory Analytics is a methodological framework that includes data sonification and analytical listening as an integral part of an iterative cycle of data analysis for scientific insight and discovery. Data sonification is not an isolated goal in itself. It's part of a larger cycle that includes collecting raw data, deriving data sets, designing multiple mappings of data to sound and to visual representations, analytical listening, forming hypotheses, and building tools. It's typical to go around this loop many times, generating multiple different mappings, building new sonification tools, and often collecting additional raw data before going around the loop again. A lot of attention is paid to techniques for mapping data to sound and to sound synthesis and processing models. But the dual of data sonification, analytical listening, is equally important to auditory analytics. The ubiquity of meaningless sound in daily life is training us to receive sound in a passive way, allowing it to wash over us without interpretation or to quickly relegate it to the background. Analytical listening is different. It's not just hearing, it's actively listening to an audio signal with the expectation that it carries meaningful information. Each of us has the innate capacity to interpret sounds in the natural world. Analytical listening taps into that ability, allowing us to extract information encoded into a synthetic sound. Mathematician Richard W. Hamming wrote, "The purpose of computing is insight, not numbers." In auditory analytics, the purpose of sonification is not sound, but insight. Each sonification acts as a catalyst, sparking new hypotheses and guiding research in unanticipated directions. The parable of the blindfolded scientists and the elephant is a reminder that no single data set, visualization, or sonification can ever provide a complete map of a phenomenon. Instead, scientific facts are established progressively through a cascade of evidence. Experiments, building models, running simulations, making observations, gathering raw data, extracting derivative data sets, mapping those data in multiple ways, sonifications, visualizations that are analyzed to build new models and verbal descriptions, each stage of which contributes to transforming raw data into a cohesive, cumulative argument. In auditory analytics, data sonification and analytical listening form an indispensable part of that cascade of evidence.